Hi everybody, this is my biggest challenge video, and my biggest challenge is going to go along with ISTE E2B, contribute to the planning, development, communication, implementation, and evaluation of technology-infused strategic plans in the district and at the district and school levels. As far as my audience, it's more with, it is with teachers, but it's also with kind of district level admin. We have plenty of technology in my district. We're 1-to-1, 2 through 12. K1, I don't think we're quite 1-to-1 right this second, but we have new devices coming in I think January to replace the iPads that had they were on their last leg and have kind of officially died, and after those come in we will be 1-to-1 K-12 in the district. So we have plenty of tech. The issue is training. Yeah, we have all this technology, but we do a terrible job, to be honest, of training teachers on what to do with the technology. We have some teachers who are comfortable with that and they just go ahead and figure it out on their own, and then we have other teachers that they take all these Chromebooks that we have, and they lock them in the cart and they don't get used because they don't know what to do with them. And it's a shame because the majority of the kids that we have in my district come from economically disadvantaged backgrounds, and if we don't expose them to technology, they don't have the opportunity to use it at home because they don't have it and they don't have Wi-Fi, and we're just doing a complete disservice to those kids by not training teachers on how to actually implement and integrate technology into their classrooms. As far as what can be done about it, I am on the district technology committee, and I've been on that committee for, I think this is my 3rd year, and I'd like to say that, yeah, we're going to come up with this plan to train teachers, and we talk about it every year, but we're on our 3rd technology director in the 3 years that I've been on this committee, and it seems like we never get anything down on paper, and so when that director leaves we have to start over, and that's kind of where we're at. The director we have right now, it seems like maybe we'll actually get something accomplished, and I think right now that our big goal has to be, how are we going to train teachers? We have to get something figured out because we are 1-to-1 now, and if we don't get it figured out, that's a complete waste of all the money that we spent on these devices. So I think the solution for that problem is just to push through and get stuff written down on paper so that if this director leaves, which has been the pattern, we have something on paper and a plan started so that we don't have to keep starting over and keep talking about the same thing over and over and over again. As far as the actual training, we talked about having the teachers in the district that have, for example, Google certifications, and do some of the training, and maybe hosting our own Google Summit in our district so that we don't have to travel, because we are also at least 3 hours away from everything. So having the training in our district would be beneficial for us. And also we have talked about sending some teachers to, things like ISTE. We had a group that went to ISTE this past summer, and we hope to be able to convince the higher ups that we should be sending, people every year to trainings like that, because you can get a lot out of them. So hopefully we are able to actually get some plans on paper and passed through the board so that we can actually start training our teachers on what to actually do with the technology that we have so that we can, give our kids an advantage. Thanks.